bad stuff could like pile up in your head, and if you don't get out, and you could end up taking stuff out on people that haven't done anything.
Talking with someone about how I felt really relieving.
We do lots of different things within secondary schools. So we offer workshops, which is a universal offer, which any pupil could attend. They're around topics, anxiety, worries. We do quite a few things around exam stress. We also think about our mood, our feelings. So they're kind of our primary offers within secondary schools.
I struggle with a bit of like anxiety. I have quite a bit of like stress when I don't know what to do in class. Having an hour to myself talking, it's quite helpful because she's an adult, so then she can help me out a bit.
We do one-to-one support, so either schools might identify a young person that they think might benefit from our support, or a young person themselves might come forward and kind of express to a teacher that they like to access support. They might have seen a poster or something around school and think actually this might be something that I might benefit from. Our service is around early intervention and prevention, so we do kind of want to support the young people who are perhaps starting to struggle, notice some difficulties before it progresses into a more significant mental health need. So therefore our interventions are low intensity, cognitive behavioural informed interventions, really working with the young person towards a goal that's specific for them.
It was really inclusive, they didn't make anyone feel bad about what they were talking about, and they gave us a couple of strategies that really helped.
They make you feel really comfortable, and that they're really genuine, and they really help you feel better.
I thought it was just going to be someone coming in one time, but it's every week, and we do stuff together, and it's really nice. And it felt really good to talk to someone.
Because they're more private and won't spread it. You know that they won't laugh at you if you say anything or...
I think it's very essential because there's a lot of people that aren't really willing to reach out for help. And there's a lot of people who secretly maybe aren't happy and maybe need the help.
Yeah, I think being someone from out of school really helps. It really does help to just get it off your chest.
What we've heard is really important is that young people feel that they've got a confidential space to kind of meet with a trusted adult to kind of work through some of them difficulties that they've been experiencing, that they've got kind of a dedicated space within school to be able to see that practitioner, and knowing that kind of within reason and within the realms of kind of managing risk and safety, that what they share in that session is going to be confidential.
So for my daughter, talking to somebody that she doesn't already know in a learning capacity helped. By the time she was in Year 8, she was showing lots of anxiety towards her learning. So they put that into place there with her as well. She's not quite so anxious around exams and work. She's much more rounded now, and she's not having those episodes of outbursts at home. Giving them the outlet to be able to express their emotions and to be able to understand them through talking to anybody is beneficial.